if I was being picky about anything, there's one little door ding right here, but because it's so close to that body line, you can kind of see it right there. You can only see it at a certain angle, but because it's so close to this body line, it's near impossible for a paintless dent removal company to get that out. But again, you have to be really close up on that and looking at it at the perfect angle. If you step back 3 or 4 feet, you cannot see that. Right here, because this vehicle did have some previous repairs on this panel, I could actually feel a little bit of a tape line inside the door jamb. Again, that's nothing you could see from the outside, but I just wanted to point it out to you. It runs along right there, which, again, that coincides being that this panel did have some previous repair. Nothing major. Overall, the front bumper, everything lines up. There's a very even gap between the bumper and the hood. Very even gap on both fender and hood sides. Underneath, you can see all the bolts. Nothing looks like it's been turned underneath here, which is good, meaning the hood does not look like it was removed. The fender bolts all look to be intact with no bolt turns, which is good, showing that that has not been taken off. Very smooth edges. Everything looks real good right there. You got original headlights. It looks like all the BMW original markings. Same thing on this side. Original fender screws. Looks like all the hood bolts are good on this side as well. You got your original VIN etching on the strut tower there. This looks to be the original hood with all your oil and emission stickers, your insulation. This engine looks really clean. It's serviced and ready to go.